Epidemia. Epidemia.
Ahí quedó el Transam San Blastiao. La águila eterna no se quiere quitar. Las podridillas que tiene ahí. Mosca.
I'm gonna use this little segment, guys, so I can show you guys a badass automotive gadget. It comes in handy. It's helped me out before. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. It's a multi-function jump starter by the company called Audu. Alright, this one comes with a badass pouch as well. A little case. There it is. This one has a little digital display right there. You can barely see it, but let me turn it on so I can show you guys. It's got 68% right out of the box. It's got your jumper cables, the same as the other one. You just plug it on the side port, and once you plug in your jumper cables, obviously you put the red to your positive terminal and the black one to your negative terminal, and then you hit this you hit that boost button. Once you hit it, you fire up your vehicle and it will turn on. This is your charger. Okay, so I figured out how to turn on the lights. You need a long press on the power button, then you'll get the lights to turn on. It's pretty bright. You press it, you don't long press from there, you just press it and it'll give you different functions. So I apologize, we ran out of daylight. Had to come do some late Christmas shopping. We're here in McAllen. Anyways, my wife's been in there for quite a bit. I ran out of juice. I ran the stereo on the vehicle just so I can finish doing a demo for this product, the jump starter. I already have it hooked up on the side port for the jumper cables. Remember, red goes with positive, black goes with the ground, which is negative. The vehicle is dead. I'll show you guys. It's dead. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood. Show you guys real quick how to hook up the jump starter to your vehicle. It's real simple. With this type of jump starter, you don't have to wait. I've heard some other ones that you have to wait like 5 or 10 minutes so they can charge your battery. Well, not with this one. With this one, if it's completely dead, it's got a boost button on the side of the jumper cables. Hold on real quick. It's got a little boost. See that right there? All you need to do once you hook it up, make sure your jump starter is on. Just hit the power button. This one's still got a 63% life. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. Remember, red with positive, the black one with the ground. You can also see your there it is. Red with red, black with ground. Now I was telling you guys about this boost. You just hit that little boost button right here. You'll hear that click. Once it clicks, you go ahead and start your vehicle. It should fire right up. There it goes. Now we got power. Shit, I'm running out of gas. And I drained out the battery for you guys so I can show you guys that the product works. The same company had already previously sent me it was like a 1000 mAh version. This one is double the power of that one. Look, it only went down 2%. So it's always good to have rather than carrying the big ass old-fashioned jump starters that weigh like about 20 fucking pounds. You can just carry this one. It's slightly bigger than my iPhone. This product works. Their older version one worked for me as well. This one has twice the power of that one. This one's got 2000 mAh. The other one had 1000. I'll put a link on the description for the older version as well as this one. It's a badass gadget to have. It's a must-have. It's got your lights. It's got the ports so you can charge your devices. You charge this one from there too, from the in and out Type-C. Plug it into your USB wall socket.
Messenger me está anunciando transmission fluid hot. Oye, ¿qué desmadre traes? ¿Qué traigo? No mames, güey. ¿Qué te dije, pendejo, Espérate, ¿de qué, güey? ¿Qué te dije de las bujías, pendejo? Te dije doble chispa, pendejo, Pensé que dijiste ponle bujías de chiste. ¿Qué chiste ni qué mis huevos? Doble chispa, pues ni que fueran galletas, güey. No te hagas el chistosito, cabrón, verás. Panchito, adelante. Si quieres habla con el patrón. Llamando Panchito, adelante, Panchito. Panchito, ¿dónde estás? ¡Todo esto, pendejo! ¡Puta madre! Oye, cabroncito, soy yo. ¿Por qué no le pusieron bujías de doble chispa a mi carro, cabrones? Se enojó el pinche carito. ¡Háblame! Está bueno, pues. Mira, te voy a decir la neta acá. Tu pinche carro ya no sirve, güey. ¿Para qué le estás metiendo lana a esas madres? Sí sirve, baboso, Además, váyase a la verga, pues, si no me quiere arreglar mi carro. Pinches pendejos, nomás porque no sirve el botoncito de que me acocoche.